Hey, we decided to visit the Alishan National Forest and look at the street lamps courting tea leaves. Amazing. Hi, doggo. We're finally here. Ito yung jump off ng recreational area. So, since malamig, my ate decided to buy us a few hand warmers, sheshe. When we were there, it was around 9 to 10 degrees Celsius. So, you better make sure na you wear something warm. And do not worry, nagpalit ako. I know I'm wearing like a short skirt at that point. Pero hindi ko kinaya mga sis. Sobrang lamig, so nag-change outfit ako. Aura muna. Appreciate the view. Because later, I die for the hike. So, we decided to grab something for breakfast. Pero for some reason, ayaw nila mag-heavy meals. So, hindi kami dito kumain. But there are multiple options pagpasok nyo pa lang ng recreational area. By the way, can someone please tell me what these are? Nakain ba to? We opted for a quick meal instead. So, hot dogs lang sa 7-Eleven. Not sure kung ito yung highest na 7-Eleven or yung kanina. But please let me know. Look at them, hot dogs. After naming mag-snack sa 7-Eleven, it was finally time to purchase the tickets. And ayan, sobrang lamig. 9 degrees. Good luck talaga. May mga intervals din yung pagdating ng train. So, you may wanna check, lalo na kung may priority kayo na station na gustong puntahan. And ayan na nga siya! Nakakakilig. The train is finally here. Grabe, the first time that I saw it was really magical. Kind of reminds me of Hogwarts for some reason. And ayan, nag-change outfit na tayo at hindi natin kayang panindigan ang mga lamig-lamigan. So, good luck! Since we've already purchased our tickets, let's go! Thank you, Sheshe. Since hindi pa naman tayo nakakapag-Japan, this is probably the closest that we could get to Hogwarts Express. So, ayan. By the way, nasolo namin yung bagon, which was amazing. Yung papunta sa first trip namin, walang tao-tao kami lang. So, we took a lot of photos, a lot of videos. We just enjoyed every minute of this train ride. We've finally arrived at the Xiaoping station. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but ayan na. Anyway, just a friendly reminder, in case na you are after the wooden cabins, yung mga brown na bagon, you may wanna do that on a Wednesday. Every Wednesday lang daw available yung wooden train. So, if that's one thing that you really wanna see, wanna witness, then might as well make necessary adjustments. Meanwhile, sa amin naman, we booked our trip on a Friday. Kasi unfortunately, Wednesday kami dumating sa Kaohsiung. So, hindi na talaga aabot. So, Fridays, medyo wala pang tao. It could get a little crowded in some areas. Pero hindi yung bonggang-bongga. I've seen a few clips na pag weekend, dun bumubuhos yung mga tao. So, yun lang, a friendly reminder lang just in case na you really wanna see the wooden train, then go on a Wednesday. I repeat, Wednesday. Alishan with manang maya nagpintas, grabe. Super lawak ng Alishan National Forest. And so far naman yung route na kinuha namin, puro pababa siya. So I'm not really sure kung anis-anis. May mga nadaanan kaming mga ponds, mga trees. Grabe yung masurround ka ng sobrang daming trees. It's such an amazing feeling na parang at some point, right, for a few hours, a few minutes, you're connected with nature. Sobrang iba yung gratification na binigay sa akin nun. And ang saya lang niya, parang it's an entirely different world. And I could say na I really enjoyed this trip. Very calm, very serene. Wala ka nang hihingin pa. This is a must for me. Travel
Gusto ko yung post nila, Mami.
Sila, Mami. I love it. Ingat po kayo. Shout out to Brunar and Rosie. Dito kami nag-apatu-apatu. And napakadaming spots dito na sobrang breathtaking. It was truly a magical forest. Pwede kang mag-arte-artehan, muni-muni kunwari. Pero, as you can see, may talagang footpath siya. Madami talagang dadaan. So, pinaulit ni Direk. Sabi niya, hindi pwede. Balik, balik, balik. So, ayan, bumalik. Ready na with Direk. Let's go. Let's see kung papasa na ito. Mukhang approved naman. Aside from the enchanting forest, another thing that amazed me is the fact that merong snack bars sa gitna. So, in the middle of the hike, pwede kang mag-stop over dito. They serve a lot of food and most of them are warm or hot meals kasi nga sobrang lamig. We got the pancit as well as the sausage. Sobrang sarap ng sausage. I went back for more. And dito na rin nag-shop yung isa naming kasama ng a lot of pasalubong na pinauwi niya sa Pinas. So, amazing. And yung nakita nyo kanina, there was some kind of a temple in the middle. When we were there though, it was under construction. So, ayan, let's go. Ituloy na natin ang hike.
It's cold! It's like damn cold. Say hi! Hi, Daddy! Ang lamig, grabe.
Dami kong pachika. Dan may dalang walis.
Ha? Ibang ano to?
May dala kong walis.
Walis? What you mean? Ah, ito.
Sabi niyo okay pa.
Wow! Grabe, ang lamig mga miyam. Welcome to my lamig-lamig era. Grabe.
Finally, pababa na tayo. So, ingat-ingat lang din mga sisi nang hindi ka gumulong-gulong dyan, di ba?
Will, parang ito na yung papuntang ano. Oh, sino ka dyan? This scene.
Ay, ayun!
Nga pala, you have two options if you want to get a copy of their map. So, it's either you scan a QR code and pwede ka rin mag-request dun sa bilihan ng ticket ng physical na map para hindi ka mawali. And almost done na kami. So, this is gonna be our last train stop kasi pupunta pa kami ng Meteor Garden. Well, hindi man sa lahat ng sites ng Meteor Garden, pero at least dun sa university. And since we all love Daomingsa, so, syempre kailangan natin ma-visit yon. But, ayan, last stop na. So sad that we're leaving, pero it was an eventful day. Ang saya-saya.
Tara, tara.
各位旅客，列车即将进站，列车即将进站。
lumayo
目前
kayo
进站
ganun.
列车为13点30分，下午1点。车票旅客，购买车票旅客，请你依序来进站。